At what age did you find out you could turn apple peels into homemade apple cider vinegar? Yep, those scraps you were going to toss, they're the star of this recipe. Grab a clean jar with a lid and toss in your apple peels. Add 1 spoonful of sugar. Then fill the jar with filtered water all the way up. Stir it all up really well. Now cover the jar and place it somewhere dark and cool. Let it ferment for 15 days. You'll start to see bubbles. A good sign. But we're not done. Let it go for 10 more days to finish fermenting. Now strain it with a fine sieve. The peels have done their job. And there you have it. Homemade apple cider vinegar, completely natural, made with your own hands from something you'd normally throw away. So tell us, did you already know this trick? Let us know in the comments.